subscribe, support, and stay positive. As you know, I do the Elmo voice. I'm gonna be singing Firework. Okay, let's have Google search it up and see who sings the song Firework. Just a second. I can't remember her name exactly. Who sings the song Firework?
Firework was recorded by Katy Perry.
Katy Perry, yes, Katy Perry. And Elmo's gonna be singing it. But if it's rough, I'm sorry. I don't know all the words to Firework. So I will be listening to Katy Perry in my ears, and I'll be singing it as Elmo. Sorry if it's rough. I've been doing like a dry run for you guys, so this is gonna be me singing Firework like Elmo. I'm sorry, but I just I was gonna sing this on the Dead on Dave show last night, but he would not let me sing it. So it's not really the music, so I don't know. I can't get in trouble for this, but it's just so. Here we go, folks. Where is it? Always should have things ready. And my volume is super loud. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna try my best to get it right, okay? So if I bump up, if I mess up a few times, you know, don't judge me. I'm just trying my best to sound like Elmo. Haha, tickle me, Elmo. I feel like a firework tonight. Alright, here we go. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the winds, trying to start again? I pretend house of cards on a caving in. You ever feel every tape? It's the underground noise, and you ever feel? How's it do? There's a spark in you. Started tonight, and let it shine. And all the light, like the 4th of July, be your firework. Come on, baby, watch your work. Baby, go, and the shine across the sky. Your firework. Come on, baby, rejoice your worth. Baby, go, as you shoot across the sky. Don't have to feel like you're wasted space. You're original, can't be replaced. You only knew what the future held. After hurricane comes a rainbow. And you're the reason why all the doors are closed. You can open up the ways around the donors are. And the lightning bolt. Your heart will glow, and the age is too low, and it's in it tonight, to let it is night. Tonight, your life is like the 4th of July. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, baby, let us your worth. Baby, go, as you shoot across the sky. Your work. Come Thank you so much, folks. God. Well, hold on a second. Here's another Katy Perry song. Let's see if I can do it correctly. Let's see if we can do 2 in a row. Nah. No, thank you. Keeping you on the inside fact, folks. Bye!